Here we go. Little squirrely in the first turn. I think he's in fourth place, fourth or fifth. Not bad start. Not. We'll take it. We'll take it. A lot of traffic. First lap, 4 corners in. First, second, third. Running fifth place. Come on, Teddy. Come on, Teddy! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Just past the fourth place. That's it, outside. Let her eat. Send it. Come on, buddy. Hold her wide. Find the smooth line. Send it. Woo! In fourth place in the 250 championship class on the 89 Honda CR500. Showed him how it's done here at Southwick. Take the outside. Good boy. That's it, nice and smooth. Stay on him, Junior, stay on him. That a boy, looking good. Stand up, that's it, stand up the whole way, inside. That's it, let her eat. Woohoo! Yeah. Junior's in fourth, he's got some heat on him. There's first. Second. Let her eat. Good place. Come on, buddy. On the gas, find your lines. Woo! Hold it, stop. Still got a solid wrap on fifth place. Against all these new bikes, not a bad start. That's Paul Buckley, legendary New England photographer. Second place. First place just went down. Here comes Junior. Come on, stay on him. Go, Teddy! Woo! Come on, buddy! Let her eat. Atta boy, looking good. Nice and smooth. Yeah, woo! Ha-ha! 2-stroke power, baby, 2-stroke. And 4 strokes eating dust. All these brand new $15,000 KTMs. Hondas, CRs. Junior's on the gas. Go get him, Teddy! Woo, yeah! Let her eat. Fuck yeah, woo! Send the ball. Yeah. Solid fifth place. These are the best amateur riders in New England out there today, folks. The New England Sports Committee Championship Series. I'm losing my breath just running around. I can't imagine being out there in this heat. 95 degrees out.
Tell him the track goes to the right.
Okay, what, he go straight?
He went straight on the second turn. He went straight through.
He didn't complete it?
No, he went.
Hey, who does he think he is, Jack Camilio?
No, he didn't cut the track. He's off.
Oh yeah. He made it back on a bit though, so
yeah.
that's good. That's Vic O'Brien, legendary New England vet rider. He's been here since the 70s. I've ridden with Vic since I was a little kid. Both our kids came up through the ranks. That's first place right there. Second. Where's Junior? Third. Fourth. Fifth. Drop back one. Come on, get on him, Junior. Get on him. Come on, buddy. Get up. Get up. Stand up. Stand up. Come on. Let her eat. Let her eat. 2 lap boards up. Come on. First, second, third, fourth, fifth place. Right there. Second, third, fourth. Send it! Find the smooth line. Find the smooth line. Come on. Get on it. Get on it. Get on it. That's it. Inside. Stay on him. Stay on him. Don't let him pass. Come on. Going over the spectator jump. Berm. Come on, there's 4 guys in front of you. Another 3 seconds, you would have had them all. Just got to push a little harder. That's it, stand up, stand up, stand up. Looks like he's getting a little tired. It's the man who makes it all happen. Mr. Johnson, what's happening? How are ya? Oh no! Thanks. Get up! Go, 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 go! Southwick, Motocross 338. Last lap, get up! That's it, find the smooth lines. That's it, bring it in, bring it in. Go for the top 5. Couple lap riders in the mix here. The lapper. Pretty sure he's in 6th place right now, 5th or 6th, but there's some lap riders in there, it's hard to tell. Here's the pack ahead of him, there's 4 guys ahead of him. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000. 10 seconds behind, 10 seconds more. Just a couple seconds a lap and he'd be up front on the podium. Got to find that couple seconds somewhere. More saddle time. Once you get the new motor in with less vibration, that'll help. We need the Adam Millar motor in here. Adam, we need that motor. Crossing the track. Yeah. Last lap. That's it, folks. Moto 1 in the books. More racing to come. God bless America. God bless Southwick. Best track in the Northeast by far.